Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about an interesting trading strategy called momentum moving average strategy. It is a very effective strategy if it is used in a proper way. Okay, let's see what are the indicators we are using in this strategy. We use two moving averages and then momentum indicator called accelerator. The two moving averages we use is fast moving average and slow moving average. The fast moving average is of 20 periods and slow moving average is of 200 period. Then you see a momentum indicator called accelerator. Let us see in depth about the moving averages and the accelerator indicator. Moving average. What is the moving average? Moving average, everybody knows, is an indicator that is commonly used in technical analysis. Do you know how it works? Imagine a currency or stock as a following closing prices for last 10 days. The first day starts with $1 closing price, second day is closing price $2, the third day is $3, up to the 10th day is $10 closing price. To know the average price over the last 10 days, what you want to do is add all the closing prices and divide by 10. If you calculate total all that one and divide by 10, you will get 55 divided by 10, you will get 5.5. 5.5 is the 10-day moving average value for the given price. Okay. If the currency pair or stock closes at $20 on the 11th day means, then what will be the 10-day moving average? Again, we will add all the most recent closing prices and divide by 10. This will give us, then we will leave 1 and add from 2. From 2 we will add up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then the 11th day, that is the closing price is 20. So we add this total and we get 74 divided by 10, that is equal to 7.4. This means the 10-day moving average value is 7.4. The 10-day moving average value will be shown up on the chart, as a dot on the chart. If new prices are formed, the 10-day moving average is recalculated and will show up as a new dot on the chart. You may wonder, if it is formed as a dot, then how can we get a line? When you connect all the dots, it becomes a line. That's it. Hope you understand. Fine, let's move to other indicator called accelerator. This is the accelerator. This accelerator consists of 3 parts. That's a green line, that the green bars, red bars, and the zero line. Other is called as knot. Okay. In trading, price is the latest element to change. If everything changes, then only the price will change. Prior to price changes, the market driving forces change its direction. The driving force oscillation must slow down and reach knot. Do you understand this point? Price is going to be changed last. Before that, the market driving, what is the market driving force? That is the volume. That is the traders buying volume. If it want to go from high to low, suppose from price is going up, buyers are there means, if you want to come for selling position, the buyer's force will come down and seller's force will increase. Then only the price direction will change. After it starts oscillating in the opposite direction until the price starts changing its direction. Okay. The indicator will change its direction before anything in the driving force, in which in turn changes direction before price. What does it mean? Means first the indicator will indicate the change, then only the price will change. Because the oscillator, one thing you need to understand important in this, the oscillator is not a lagging indicator, it is a leading indicator. Okay. If you realize that acceleration deviation is a signal for early warning, it will give an evident advantage. You cannot buy when the current color is red, and when you cannot sell when the current column is green. Okay, understand? If the indicator is higher than 0, you need 2 green columns to buy. If the indicator is lower means the indicated bar is lower than 0, then you need 2 red columns to sell. This is entering the market in the direction of the driving force. Okay. If the driving force is directed against the position of open, what will happen? That means if indicator below not for buying or higher than not for selling, can you trade like this? Yes, you can trade like this. For that, another confirmation is needed. Hence, additional column is required. In this case, the indicator is to show 3 red columns below the knot line for short position and 3 green columns above the knot line for long position. Can you understand? If you trade in the trend direction, that is in the driving force, according to the driving force, if you are trading, then 2 is enough. If it is opposite to the driving force, then you want to one more support, one for confirmation, that is 3 red columns for sell and 3 green columns for buy. Hope you understand clearly. If you any doubt, you ask me you comment me in the comment box, I will reply you. Okay, let's move on to the chart. Yes, coming to the chart, you see there are 2 moving averages. One is the first one and other one is the slow one, and also we are using the accelerator. Here you took the fast moving average as 20 period moving average and the slow moving average as a 200 period moving average. This strategy involves 3 conditions. First condition is the fast want to cross the slow for sell order. Fast moving average want to cross the slow above for the buy order. Here the fast is crossing the slow moving average. That is okay. At the time we want to check this accelerator. In the accelerator indicator there are 3 red bars. In 1 2 3. Now also now second condition is fulfilled. So you want to check for the third condition. What is the third condition means? You want to check for the trend in the higher time frame. When you are trading in H1 means you want to check for H4. If you are trading in M5 means you want to check the trend in M30. So for here you are trading in H1, so you are checking in H4. In H4, you see this is in uptrend. The fast is above the slow. The point where I marked, you see, that is the first marking. This mark, this one H1 time frame. In this, the price is crossing down. In H4 it is uptrend, so it can't take the order. This is the second place I have marked it before itself. You see here it is crossing down, but there are 3 green bars. So what will happen? The strategy is not to take the order. Okay, let's see the another point. You see the moving average is crossing up, but there is only one green bar in the accelerator indicator. We must not calculate the current bar. We must calculate the before bars. Before 2 bars it want to be green. Let's go to other place. Here you see, here the price is crossed from below to above. At the same time, the accelerator is having so many green bars. 2 is enough. It is more than 2. It is so you can take order. If you check for the H4 time frame, there also you can see the fast moving average is much above the slow moving average. In this place, the 3 conditions are met. To know more clearly about this strategy, I made it as an expert advisor. I will attach that expert advisor to the chart, and I will show you how this strategy works in real time, so that you can understand well. Let me open this strategy chart. and the properties, okay, nothing want to change, everything is fine. Let me start this one and close the that. Let's wait for update. As is updated, let the thing start. I think you want to go on start that one. Yes, okay, it is started. Now we'll check. This place is crossed. We'll come back and see what why it is not taken that order at the place. When some orders comes, we'll pause that in that place and we'll check the conditions are fulfilled or not. The second place it has crossed. Let us wait for the orders. Yeah, order has been placed. Just go back and verify the orders. As you see, here the fast moving average has crossed the slow moving average. Also, there are 3 green bars on the oscillator indicator. If you check in the higher time frame, there also it will be a downtrend. We cannot see that higher time frame in the tester, so it is a perfect order. You see, fast is crossed the slow on 3 red bars. Perfect order. You see that before crossing, here you see it is crossed, but the slow is crossed by the fast. In other words, the fast crossed the slow, but there are no 3 green bars when there is crossing. Okay. Here you see, when fast is crossing the slow from up to down, there are 3 green bars. It want to be 3 red bars to place the order. I hope you understand well. This is the perfect strategy. I am using this strategy for a long time. It is giving consistently good result. We want to place exactly correct stop loss and take profit so that you can gain income consistently. Yes, that's in the video. I hope you understand the strategy well. Open a demo account and use this strategy. I am sure you will get the good results. I will give one more idea. I will give the link for the demo version. It is free. It is available in MT4 market. I will give the link. Go there and download the free version and open a demo account and use this strategy. Backtest this strategy and you will get very good results. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please give me a thumbs up. Let me see you in the another video. Till then, bye bye.